We learn in this week's Parsha the work that was needed to create the garments of the high priest. The high priest in this case being Aaron HaKohen, who would be wearing these garments, and Hashem gives instructions how the garments, very intricate, very delicate, very, very skilled, specialized type of activity to create these magnificent garments. And the Parsha tells us how Moshe is instructed by Hashem how to create these garments. And he receives two general instructions. First, Hashem tells him to create garments that should be for glory and beauty. Then he tells him, tell the work people that they should create garments to sanctify and to facilitate the service of the temple. Again, two instructions. To sanctify the high priest who will wear these garments, and to make it possible for him to do the temple service. Why are there two different sets of instructions? So the first difference we can explain simply that since Moshe is overseeing the entire activity, the entire production, so he also, as the overseer, as the CEO, he needs to have in mind that the garments need to be glorious, they have to be very beautiful, very magnificent. That must be part of his intention. But this intention is not for the work people. Those people are going to be doing the actual craft itself, the actual metal work, and the weaving work, and the sewing and embroidery work. Their intention must not be for glory and beauty. Their intention must be that this garment is functional, fully functional, and also that the one who wears this garment should be inspired to do very elevated service, to sanctify the one who will wear these garments. A different instruction completely, but a very important instruction. Because the person who actually does the work, if he's going to focus on the impression that he makes on outsiders, that's going to take away from the quality of his work. But if he's going to focus on the idea that his work is going to inspire the one who's going to be using the product of his work, the one who's going to actually be wearing the garments that he's creating, so then that will be the effect. Hashem said he should have such an intention, obviously, because having such an intention makes the world of difference. So that's why he's told, create a garment that is functional, but at the same time will sanctify the one who wears the garment. And this is a message also for us. We have to be aware of every act we do, every step we take, and every activity, every item we produce. The intention behind our work, the intention behind our production makes the world of difference. If we have the right intentions, we can actually elevate that which we do. We can actually elevate those who will use the items that we are producing to the very highest of levels. Our intentions and our thoughts are always very, very important.